Though this video is very short, making it wasn't easy. Probably because the 12-inch MacBook is one of my favorite devices ever. I got the 2017 model much later than I expected, and compared to the 2016 model I previously had, even though they look the same, the 2017 model feels completely different, thanks to the improved performance and keyboard. It now finally supports playing 4K YouTube videos, though only at 30 FPS. But the most importantly, it has the second generation of the butterfly mechanism. And I tell you, the difference isn't just on paper. Typing on this keyboard feels so much better than on the 2016 model, to the point where I even enjoy doing it. And I trashed the 2016 model's keyboard so hard. However, keyboard issues haven't gone anywhere. I got unlucky with this particular unit. The several keys were getting stuck. A bit of isopropyl alcohol and a toothbrush helped enough that it's no longer a major problem. But that delicate plastic membrane they added can peel off if you are not careful enough. Also, some keys might easily break when you try to pry them out. So what's the takeaway of this video? Two things really. First, the 2017 12-inch MacBook base model is just enough for basic tasks like Word, Excel, YouTube, and even light work in Photoshop. That small performance bump and the new keyboard make a world of difference. The second thing is that I still adore this machine to the extent that I use it as my main laptop, despite a pristine 16-inch M1 Pro MacBook Pro standing right behind it. This cute tiny machine gives me so much freedom I can't even put to words. It allows me to do a big part of my work from practically anywhere. I love this laptop so much that when I sold the 2016 model, it felt like I was selling a part of myself, believe it or not. And now I got it back, though not in the color I wanted and with some weird symbols printed with English letters that make the keyboard look like a mess. Another important point to mention is macOS. The latest version available on the 2017 model is Ventura, and it works straight down badly. As many suggest, Instant Catalina makes this laptop works noticeably better, because it was the last version before the big redesign in Big Sur with Apple Silicon in mind. And the way it looks, it's probably just nostalgia, but damn, Catalina looks just right on this machine. This laptop is truly one of a kind, and as I mentioned, one of my favorite devices ever. I'm eagerly awaiting a revision of this flawed state of art on Apple Silicon, with all the flaws fixed. It's one of my little dreams. Apple, please make this dream of mine come true. Thank you for watching.
Like that's ever gonna happen.